Okay, so scm.autoReveal controls whether the scm view should automatically reveal and select files when opening them. So this is what this setting does. If you have an opened file that has changes, so it's showing up on Source Control Manager, and you don't have anything selected, right? I just clicked away, and you select that file, it's going to automatically reveal and select. Now, actually, let me unselect and hide, and now switch back, and there it goes. It reveals, so it expands, and then it selects the file. And this works if the file is in the root folder, or if it's inside, a folder inside a folder. So if you have the tree view enabled for Source Control Manager, it will open all the folders until it selects the right file. If you set this to false, that will not happen. So if you collapse that and you change to that file, it's not going to reveal or select, right? So I find this option to be useful, so I'm leaving this one set to true.